The mad, mad world of motorcycling is seen here from this dazzling display of brilliantly executed cycling formations by the Italian police, celebrating their birthday before an admiring audience as they interweave each other in a superlative ballet of unparalleled precision, presenting intersecting lozenges that appear to slide with effortless ease through each other, gracefully revolving carousels that seem to wind and unwind at the same time in a flawless swirl of fluidity, motorized Catherine wheels rotating like clockwork at the same relentless rhythm, and like bees in a honeycomb, crisscrossing each other fearlessly in an unending flow of interlacing squares, before lining up to take the final salute from the head of state.